Hello students, good morning all of you. Today in our video I have to explain error analysis and the propagation of the errors. So in the propagation of the errors there are so many types of there, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and one more that is and also in powers. So already in our previous videos we have discussed addition and subtractions. Now we are discussing about the in case of multiplication and the division. So how we can find the errors in case of the multiplication and the division, we have to see. So here we have to start propagation of the errors. Propagation of errors, right? So in the propagation of errors there are, first one it is the addition, and the second one it is the subtraction, and the third one it is the multiplication, and fourth one division, right? And fifth one is also there, that is powers. In case of powers it will be explaining in our next class. So in addition, in case of addition already discussed in our previous video, that is if a physical component x it is equal to a plus b, so x and a and b are the physical quantities. Then we have to write x plus or minus delta x, it is equal a plus or minus delta a, it is plus b plus or minus delta b, right? So here delta x, delta a and delta b are the absolute errors in the x, a, b respectively. Delta x is the absolute error of the x, delta a is the absolute error of the a, delta b is the absolute error of the b. Then you have to write that x plus or minus delta x, it is equal a plus b plus or minus delta a plus delta b, right? So this is the propagation of the error. We have to find the errors in case of addition. Okay, you have to remember this one. And in case of subtraction, so here let it be x is equal a minus b, x is equal a minus b. So here a and b and x are also having same physical quantity. So hence we can write that x plus or minus delta x, it is equal a plus or minus delta a and plus b plus or minus delta b. Then finally x plus or minus delta x, it is equal a minus b plus or minus delta a. So here minus delta b. So delta a plus delta b. So here you need to see from these two cases the absolute errors are does not change. Delta a plus delta b here, delta a plus delta b here, but here it is a plus b, here it is a minus b. So this is the subtraction, this is the addition. In case of addition, the both physical components or physical quantities are added. In case of subtraction, the physical quantities are subtracted from each other and the error should be added. So the point here, remember, in case of the absolute errors are added in both addition and subtraction. And this is the most important point you have to remember. The absolute errors, so these are the absolute errors, these are the absolute errors. The absolute errors are adding in case of both addition and subtraction. So this is the main important. Now we have to see about the multiplication and the division. Multiplication and the division. So some of the examples are given in our previous video. Just I have to just a recapitulation of addition and subtraction. So now we have to discuss about the multiplication. Multiplication, right? So for suppose here let x is equal ab. So a into b, that is the multiplication. Then we have to write where delta x it is equal delta a plus delta b. Delta x is equal delta a plus delta b. Whereas delta x by x it is equal delta x by x is equal delta a by a plus delta b by b. And here delta x it is equal, you can write that delta a by a and plus delta b by b into x. So this is the error you have to find in case of multiplication. And coming to the division, So division also same we have to find. How we can find? Where x is equal, let it be a by b. A by b, it is the division. There delta x it is equal delta a plus delta b, both are same. Here delta x by x is equal delta a by a and plus delta b by b. Whereas delta x is equal delta a by a plus delta b by b into what is that? X. So here you have to observe these two are same. Okay. So how we can find? We have to observe with some one example. Okay. So coming to the example in case of multiplication. So in case of multiplication, for example, let there is a rectangular plate having the length and breadth. Having the length L, breadth B. So here the values are given that x L is equal, it is 4 plus or minus 0.2, it is centimeter, and B is equal to plus or minus 0.1 centimeter. And find the area of the plate. Area of the plate. So how we can find? Solve it. And now here the given that area it is equal, area of the rectangle it is length into breadth. This is the formula. Already know that this is the length factor, that is 4, and B breadth it is equal to, it is 4 into 2, it is equal 8 centimeter square. So area A is equal 8 centimeter square. Now we have to find the delta A value, that is the error, absolute error in the A. So how much delta A? There we have to write delta A by A is equal delta L by L plus delta B by B. Okay, compared to the x is equal AB, here A is equal LB. So here delta A by A is equal delta L by L plus delta B by B. Okay, so this is the formula I wrote here, where delta A it is equal delta L. What is delta L? This is the delta L. This is the delta B. It is 0.2 by what is L value? That is 4. And plus delta B it is equal 0.1. And what is B value? B is equal to 2. Into this A should be comes this side. Then 8 is equal 8 into 8. Whereas you can write that it is equal 2 by 40, 1 by 20. It is 1 by 20 plus 1 by 20 into 8. Okay, it is equal like that, whereas 2 by 20 into 8, it is 1 by 10. 1 by 10, 8 by 10, it is equal delta A, it is equal 0.8 centimeter square. So this is the error occurs in case of addition, where it is the area. The errors occurs in the area, it is the 0.8. How we can find the percentage error in the area here? The percentage error it is equal, percentage error it should be delta A by A into 100. Delta A by A into 100. Where delta A is equal 0.8. Okay, where A is equal 8 into 100. That is the percentage error we have to remember. Okay. So then how much percentage here? 10 percentage. That is the percentage error we have to find out. 8 by 80 and 1 by 10 and 10 times 100, 10%. The percentage error in the area, it is equal 10%. So this is the method we have to find in case of multiplication. In case of multiplication. Okay. Now we have to find in case of division. How we can find in case of division the errors? Right. So first suppose if we have take a cube, so this is the cube having, this is a one cube having mass, it is equal 6 plus or minus 0.3, what is that, kilogram, and volume of the cube, it is equal 3 plus or minus 0.1 kilo, volume, it is equal meter cube. Then find density of the cube. Density of the cube. So how we can find density? Write down in case of division. So density D is equal mass by volume. Okay? Kilogram per meter cube. And then mass of the body here, that is mass of the cube, it is 6, and volume it is here 3, it is equal to 2 kilogram per meter cube. There is density. And now we have to find delta D. So absolute error in the density, that is delta D. How much it is delta D? The formula it is delta D, it is equal, we can write that delta D by D, it is equal delta M by M plus delta V by V. So both are same. We have to use the plus. And then we can write that delta M, it is equal 0.3 and M, it is equal 6, and plus delta V is equal 0.1 and V, it is equal 3 into, this is delta D. So into D nothing but 2. Okay. So then you can write that 3 by 60. 3 by 60, it is nothing but 3 by 60. 1 by 20 and plus 1 by 30. 1 by 20 into 1 by 30 into 2. So you can write that here the delta D value, it is equal, what is that here, 2 by 20, it is 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15 here. 2 will be multiplied into the inside. So then you have to write, what is that here, 10 and 15. So here 10 and 15 will be LCM 2, 3, 5, 15. 30 is the LCM. You can write that 3 and plus 2, 5 by 30. It is equal 5 by 30. It is equal 1 by 6. It is equal, what is that, 0.16 40 means 5. 0.16, what is that, 0.16 kilogram per meter cube. Kilogram per meter cube. So this is the error in the delta D. Okay. So this is the pattern you have to find in case of division. So dear students, this is very important analysis. If they have multiplication and the division, I will be explain in case of powers. So this is very useful. If you like the video, you have to like our video and share to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.